Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to send money from Venmo to Bitcoin wallet. First of all you have to do is open your Venmo application on your phone. Then click on your profile icon, which is located at the bottom right corner. Here, you will see your Venmo balance and your crypto balance. You need to click View on your crypto balance. From here, you will see two options: Buy and Sell. As you can see, I have Litecoin, but you can follow the same process for Bitcoin as well. The process is exactly the same. You have to click on your coin, which in your case is Bitcoin, but in my case, it is Litecoin. A new page will open, where you will see three options: Buy, Sell, and a directional arrow pointing right and left. You have to click on these arrows. A pop-up window will appear, showing two options: Send and Receive. You need to click on Send. A new page will then open with a search bar where you can type in the name, username, or your external wallet address. In my case, I want to send to my external wallet, so I will type in my Litecoin address in the search bar. Be sure to double-check or even triple-check the address you want to send your Venmo money to, because a single mistake can cause you to send your funds to the wrong place, and this cannot be recovered. On the next page, you need to type in the amount you want to send from your Venmo to your external wallet. After typing in the amount, click on Review Transfer. In the final step, verify and double-check everything: the amount you're sending, the network fee, the estimated delivery, and the total. Finally, tap on Send Litecoin. You have now successfully transferred your Bitcoin or any other coin from Venmo to your external wallet.